Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful rose. I have taught you in previous videos different flowers and today I'm going to show you how you can make this one. You will see that it's very easy and fast. You can use it to decorate something, to make a bouquet of roses, to wear it in your hair or as a brooch or only that for yourself. Okay, I think that it's an amazing detail that you can give to someone, or also you can make it to decorate something that you need or that you crochet. Okay, remember that you can make different combinations, you can use different materials to make this beautiful rose. But well, today I'm going to give you the step-by-step of this beautiful rose. Look how it looks in the hair, or even you can use it as a bracelet. But well, let's don't lose more time. I will give you the step by step, and before we start, please don't forget to subscribe. Remember that if you want to buy and use the same materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es. Well, in this occasion, I'm going to use my hook of number 4 and a yarn of a medium weight. As you could see, it's very soft. I'm going to use this color and I'm going to start making chains. We have to make these chains a little bit loose, and you are going to make the number of chains that you need according to the project that you are making this flower for. Okay, the important thing is that you make an odd number of multiples of 3. In this case, I'm going to make 30. And 30. If you want a bigger flower, well, you are going to make more chains in multiples of 3. So chain 1, 2, 3. Before the 3 chains, skip 2, and in the third, make a single crochet. Then 3 chains, skip 1, 2, and in the third, single crochet. And well, this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Well, at the end of the row, we are going to turn around and we will go up with 1, 2, 3 chains, 4 and 5. Turn over twice and inside the eye, insert your hook, and now we are going to take the first one, then the next 2 and the next 2, and we are going to leave the last looping hole in the hook too. Again, turn over twice, insert your hook, take 1, then take the next 2 and the next 2 and leave the last loop in hole. We are going to repeat this until we have 9 loops in hole in our hook.
4, no vamos a contar la cadenita, 5, 6, 7,
8 and 9. So once we have all the loops together, we are going to take 1 first, and then we will take 2 by 2. So here 1 first and then 2 by 2, like this. Be careful and slowly, don't worry, until we finish with all of them. And the last 2. Well, then we are going to crochet over this petal, and this is how we are going to create the petal. First, we are going to start making single crochet. We are going to make them right here next to the chains that we made. So right after the first extended double crochet we made, we are going to make 4. Then we are going to make a picot. We have to make 3 chains and we are going to slip 1. This is the basic picot, but in this case we are going to make a single crochet right next to it, so we can have kind of a pair at the top of the petal, right? Well, then we are going to continue making single crochets in between each extended double crochet. We are going to make 4 single crochets like we made in the other side. Now we are going to make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to make single crochet right here inside the eye. And this will be our first petal. Okay, so here we have the first one, and we are going to repeat these same steps in all the eyes that we made through all the 30 chains that we make as a base chains. So we are going to go to the next eye making a single crochet. Then we will go with 5 chains. We are going to yarn over twice, and we are going to take 2, then the next 2, and the next 2, and we will leave the last looping hole like this 9 times. And well, remember that we are going to make a 9 right after the first chains that we made, okay? We are not going to count the first chains that we made. We are just going to count the next extended double crochets after the chains, like this until we have 9.
7. Aquí váyanlo cogiendo, miren, con su dedo.
8 and 9. Okay, we are going to leave all the loops here and hold, and we are going to count without counting the first chains. So as you could see, we have 4, 6, 8, and 9. So remember, first we are going to take 1, and then we will take 2 by 2 until we finished 2 by 2, very slowly and careful, okay? Then we are going to start making the single crochets, remember, right after the first double crochets that we made, not after the chains that we made, okay? So be careful there. So we are going to make 4, then we are going to make 3 chains and a single crochet right next to the next extended double crochet, and then after this we are going to continue making the next 4 single crochets in between each double crochet, then 5 chains and single crochet right inside the eye. And like this is how we are going to continue making a petal in each eye. Well, at the end, in each eye I made 10 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so with 30 chains as a base chains, I had 10 petals. So you can take this as a reference, so you can have an idea of how many chains you will need according if you want a bigger flower or a smaller flower, okay? Well, at the end we are going to cut a long thread of the same yarn, and with an embroidery needle we are going to sew in the back of our flower to make its shape. We are going to roll all the petals around our thumb like this. We are going to fix them. Please be careful, don't twist them. So we are going to sew all around it. While we sew, we are going to roll the flower. So we are going to continue like this. Okay, at the end you can put a brush behind, so you can use it as a brush, or you can sew to your garment directly, and like this you can join it. So very carefully, very slowly. This is the way how we are going to sew, and this is the secret. This is how it will look like this. You will decide if you want it more tight or if you want it more loose. You can decide also if you want to add a new material, maybe a ribbon or something else that you can decorate while you sew. Well, this is the perfect opportunity to do it. If you make this flower with a more fine material, you will have shorter petals. It will look beautiful too. Also, you can make these extended double crochets making the double crochets of 3 crochets, so the petals will look shorter, but it will look beautiful too. So you can experiment, you can try it, and you can make your own designs by mixing colors, mixing textures, and also you can mix materials too. You can put different kind of yarns and make this beautiful rows. You can make more and you can join them. You can make a bouquet, as I told you at the beginning, or you can use it for your head. You can use it in anything. It will be a perfect gift and amazing detail if you make this for someone. But well, let's see how it looks. Well, so what do you think? I hope that you have liked making this flower with me, this rose with me. Please, if you make it, take a picture and tag me. I love to see you making the projects with me. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a like. See you very soon in the coming videos. Please, if you have an idea, send me to my email. But thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.